can't say no. Every time the sun goes down.
Situated just a short walk from public transport, arterials, parkland and schools, you can't get much more convenience in this pocket. Not only does this 4-bedroom home give you convenience at your doorstep, but it's single-storey, comfortable living with a whole lot of character and charm. I'm Tiana from Watt Realty and welcome to 145 Normanhurst Road in Boondall. If you're looking for comfortable living in a convenient location, this one is certainly worth having a look at. If you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, get in touch with our team today.